This video clip provides a detailed explanation of how the interfaces of the Toolbox and the Infobox have been enhanced in ARCHICAD 20. Besides receiving a new interface and icons, the Toolbox has also been made more intelligent and enhanced to provide a maximum working area. When you resize the width of the Toolbox, you can now decrease its width to only 36 pixels, so it occupies the least possible amount of space in order to maximize your working area. In addition, as you increase its width during resizing, it intelligently switches between the icon only and the icon plus text modes based on its current width. First, from icon only, it changes to the icon plus text mode. As the width is increased to accommodate 2 columns of icons, it switches back to the icon-only mode. Then, as we further increase its width, it again switches to the icon plus text mode and accommodates more and more icon plus text columns as the width is increased. The Infobox also received similar enhancements besides its new interface and icons. The size of Infobox panels has been increased by 36 pixels, from 160 to 180 by 40 pixels. Additionally, there's a new 16-pixel wide header in each panel, which shows the name of the panel for easy identification of the panel's function. The Infobox also behaves intelligently when resizing its height. When its height is large enough, the panel header, the panel, and the scroll bar are all displayed. As we start decreasing its height, first the scroll bar becomes hidden. As we further decrease its height, the panel header becomes hidden and the scroll bar appears again. With a further decrease in its height, the scroll bar becomes hidden again, and only the panels themselves will be visible, again in order to take up as little space as possible on the interface. One additional small enhancement is that as we scroll in the Infobox, partial panels are displayed on both its left and right side to indicate scrollability in that direction. In previous versions, no partial panels were displayed as a result of scrolling. When the scroll bar is visible, you can find out which directions you can scroll from the position and size of the scroll button. This new feature comes in handy when the Infobox height is decreased so the scroll bar becomes hidden. When you see a partial panel displayed on either side of the box, you know that you can scroll in that direction.